Thanks for joining us today. This tutorial will walk you through how to embed a video in your Emarsys email campaigns using Playable. The first phase is to create a custom HTML email in Emarsys. We created this one earlier, which we have named Playable Tutorial. Looking at the preview of the HTML we uploaded, we can see the image which we are looking to replace with our video content. We now select the Playable add-on from the menu. To add Playable to your Emarsys account, please contact your Emarsys account manager directly. We can now see the Playable video page, which features all our previous campaigns. Today, we are going to add a new video, so we click Add Video. Firstly, we need to create a title for our video. This is for admin purposes only. We'll name ours Playable Tutorial. Next, we need to confirm the dimensions of the video to be displayed within our email. These are 600 by 250. We are now ready to upload our video content to Playable. We can upload content as a video file from our computer or as a link from a hosting platform such as YouTube, Vimeo or Instagram. Today we're going to use some YouTube footage. We simply copy the URL of the YouTube video we wish to upload and paste it into the field, then click Apply. The upload time will vary relative to the size of the video. During the upload, Playable creates a 10-second edit of the video as an option for you to use in your email, though in most cases you will wish to edit the video to create your own clip. Click Editor to commence editing. Our objective is now to create the most compelling video content with a maximum duration of 10 seconds. Our video is now shown in the editor. In the main screen you will see an area framed by a dotted line. This represents the area of the video which will be embedded within our email and is derived from the image dimensions we entered earlier. We can move this area to select a preferred area of the video. To create our video content, we select clips from the video using the timing slider and the add clip panes. We need to keep an eye on the duration of the edit, which is shown here. Once we are happy with our edit, we click Continue. We now have the option to add a range of enhancements to our video. These are designed to help reinforce our messaging. We can add captions which appear at the foot of the video at time intervals we select. We can add or remove a click watermark. We can add an end card, which may be our branding or a call to action. And finally, we can include a footer with a call to action. We now click Compile. Playable now creates over 100 versions of the video. It is these which are used to deliver the very best video email experience for all recipients, relative to the device and connection type on which they are viewing the email. The next step is to add our click action. We click the menu item which gives us three choices. Today we're going to redirect any recipient who clicks on the video to the full video on YouTube, so we add the URL and save it. We have now completed the editing of our video email clip. We can now preview our video across the major email clients and also send a sample to our colleagues for checking by simply completing the form here. We embed our video within our Emarsys template. To commence this, we click Embed and proceed to select Playable Tutorial from the list of Emarsys campaigns. To embed our video, we hover over the image we wish to replace. This is now framed red. We now click on the image. We can now see our video in our template. To transfer this to our Emarsys account, we click Create New Campaign, followed by a click on the prompt, Click to view your new campaign in Emarsys. We have now successfully embedded our video into our Emarsys template, and we continue to test and send our Emarsys campaign in the normal way. Thanks for watching, and please get in touch with any further questions.